Of the organic compounds. In that we see the what is the root word, what is the prefix, and what is the suffix. Now we see how they are arranged in a organic molecule name. Okay, see here the word root we are represented is a middle of the name. Word root represents middle of the name. Suffix we see already. Prefix we see four types: primary prefix, secondary prefix, number prefix, and numerical prefix. Okay. Front of a word root, we represent a primary prefix. If it is a cyclic molecule. In front of that, we will represent the secondary prefix. In front of that, we will represent the numerical prefix. Okay. In front of that, we will represent a number prefix. Okay, here if we indicate that means a number prefix, if one substituent is there, primary secondary prefix, there is a no need to write two times that one. If two different prefixes, different substituents are there is a two different number prefix and numerical prefix may be enter. Okay, suppose take an example here. Okay, this is a carbon molecule. It has two different substituents. One is a methyl substituent and another one is a ethyl substituent. And both are present in a different carbon atoms, not in a same carbon atom. So in that case, first you should write the root word. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are there. Means the root word is a pent. All are saturated, so the primary suffix is a N. Okay. And next it is a straight chain or cyclic straight chain. So the primary prefix is absent cyclo. So go to the secondary prefix. Here two substituents are there. One is a CH3 that we are represented as a methyl that we call, and C2H5 we call a ethyl. Okay, so both are different. Means here there is we will write two secondary prefixes and the number is also different. Okay, and both are only 1, 1. So that's why the numerical prefix is absent here also. Here. So write down 2 methyl, 3 ethyl pentane. 2 methyl, 3 ethyl pentane. Okay, what we said: root word, primary prefix, secondary prefix, numerical prefix, number prefix. If more than one substituent is there, the number and numerical prefix will be repeated before the root word. Okay, and go to the suffix. After a root word, indicate a primary suffix. After that, indicate the secondary number suffix. After that, numerical suffix. After that, indicate the secondary suffix. Here also, if more than one unsaturation, that means more than one double or a triple bond is there, the primary suffix has a number prefix and numerical number suffix and numerical suffix. Okay, and also the secondary suffix also, if it is more than one same functional group is there, number and numerical suffix will be enter in the name. Example, see here the molecule COOH, CH double bond CH, COOH. Okay, here the two functional groups are there, that means the COOH and COOH. Only one is that is a carboxylic acid. So it is a two groups, two same functional group is there. Give a numbering. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the root word is a bute. And here the primary suffix is a double bond is there, so that's why we use a in. And two same functional groups are there, their position is a 1, 4. 1, 4. That means a number suffix is enter, and also two are the same functional groups, so numerical also enter, that means a di. We use a numerical suffix also, that is a 1, 4 dioic acid. Dioic acid. Oic is a representation of the carboxylic acid. So butane 1, 4 dioic acid. Take another example. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbons, so that's why we use a root word pent. All are saturated bonds, the primary suffix is a N. And see the prefix part. Here it has the molecule has a two substituents. Both are present in the same carbon, but both are different groups. One is a chlorine group and another one is a methyl group. So write down the here the secondary suffix, two secondary prefix are there. That means 3 chloro, 3 methyl. It is a straight chain molecule, so that's why cyclo. The primary prefix is absent here. 3 chloro, 3 methyl pentane, and here in the first and fifth carbon are a carboxylic acid groups. So that's why in the place of E, I write down a number suffix, that is a 1, 5. Both are the same groups. That means a di, numerical suffix also enter. 1, 5 dioic acid. Dioic acid. Okay. Here it has a only substituent groups. Here it has a functional groups and also unsaturation. Here it has a substituents and also functional group. So that's why we are writing the, what is the name of the molecule? 3 chloro, 3 methyl pentane, 1, 5 dioic acid. Pent means the molecule is made up of 5 carbons, and it has two substituents in the third carbon. Those are 3. In the third position, there is a chlorine group and also methyl group. And first carbon and fifth carbon are nothing but the carboxylic acid groups. So that's why we write 3 chloro, 3 methyl pentane, 1, 5 dioic acid. Dioic acid. Okay, here we wrote a name of 2 methyl, 3 methyl pentane. Okay, how we write 2 methyl is the first and 3 methyl is the after? It is a right? No, this is a wrong. Okay, this is a wrong. So we will write 3 ethyl, 2 methyl pentane. 2 methyl pentane. It is a right one, it is a wrong name. Why it is a right and it is a wrong? And another example we also see here. Here it has 4 carbons, means but, and all are saturated bonds, so butane. And the chlorine is if you count from the carbon number from left to right, it has a 2 second position. So 2 chlorobutane. From this side, that means right to left, it has a position, third position. So we will write 3 chlorobutane. But in these 2 chlorobutane is a right and 3 chlorobutane is a wrong. How we will say one is a right and another one is a wrong? That's about to learn about this type of examples. We will see the numbering of the rules for how to numbering a carbon chain.